Good evening. Today's topic is exponents and powers, right? Which is a chapter class 8th. Power. A number written as a base number with an exponent. Base exponent like this. For example, if we write 2 raised to the power 5, we can say this as 2 to the power 2 to the fifth power 2 raised to the power 5. Your base the repeated fraction in a multiplication problem. Base to the power exponent is equal to power factor. For example, if we multiply 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, that is we get 8. So in short, we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3. That is 2 is multiplied 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, and we get 8. So here there are certain rules when the bases are same, right? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So if the bases are same, then we multiply 2, it becomes a raised to the power m plus n. If a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, it becomes a raised to the power m minus n. A to the power m to the whole to the power n becomes a to the power m into n. A to m into b to m becomes ab whole to the power m, and so on. What are the different points that we need to remember? Here it is minus 3 cube. That means minus 3 is multiplied 3 times. So we will simply remove the minus sign and multiply 3 into 3 into 3 becomes minus 27. 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 times minus 81. Squared is equal to base square. Say 2 to the second power of the 2 squared. Most mathematicians say 2 squared. 2 raised to the power 2, that is 2 into 2, it becomes 4. Similarly, 3 into 3, we can write it as 3 square and it becomes 9. 4 into 4 becomes 4 in 4 square and we can write it as 16 cube. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 2 cube. We used to say that 2 cubed. So 2 to the third power or 2 cubed, most mathematicians say 2 cubed. That means 2 is multiplied with itself 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, and we get it as 8. Similarly, if 3 raised to the power 3, we get 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 4 raised to the power 3, that is 4 into 4 into 4 becomes 64. And similarly, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube, becomes 125, and so on. What will happen if exponent is 0 factorial? The base is any number but 0. The answer is 1. For example, if any number is raised to the power 0, that is base can be any number but the power is 0. So here answer will always be 1. Whether it is 2 raised to the power 0, it becomes 1, or 4 to 6 8 raised to the power 0, it will also become 1. Any number except raised to the power 0 will always become 1, because this word 0 raised to the power 0 becomes undefined, so it does not exist. While if we talk about the natural numbers, then for natural numbers any raised to the power, we will always get a answer, but 0 raised to the power 0 is undefined, we will not get any answer. When the exponent is 1, so the answer is the same number as the base number. For example, if base is 2 and the exponent is 1, so we will get 2, or 4638 is power 1, we will always get 4638. So any number raised to the power 1, the same is exponent 1 is usually invisible. Multiplication properties, product of powers. So let us suppose that we have two exponential forms, x raised to the power a, x into x to the power b, we get x raised to the power a plus b. So when two exponents are multiplied, we will simply add their powers. Power raised to the power x raised to the power a to whole power b, that is x raised to the power a into b. Xy into raised to the power a becomes x raised to the power a, y raised to the power a. Similarly, divisible properties, quotient of power. This property is used when dividing two or more exponential expressions with the same base. So here there is an example of x raised to the power 5 upon x raised to the power 3. So 3 will cancel out and we will be left with x raised to the power 2. Similarly, x raised to the power minus 3 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon x cube upon x4. That is 1 upon x cube divided by x4. 1 upon x cube into 1 upon x4. So here we will simply add 3 plus 4 becomes 1 upon 7. Evaluate the variable expressions when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3, and this you will do on your own. Thank you.